how to log in into Sweat wallet. So this is the Sweat wallet that I have open right here, and as you can see, we have the option to log in with Sweatcoin. So right here, if we click on it, it will open up our Sweatcoin application, and then we have to select opt into crypto. So now you can read through this, some more information about the crypto coin. After you have read this, you have to click on opt in now. Gotta confirm your email address. Read through these terms of service and click on send me the code. I understand. Now we have to put in the information. So you will get this message now. Congratulations, you created your account. And now we can just open up the Sweat wallet. And if you want to confirm your account, you basically have to walk a little bit and then it will automatically confirm your account. So hope this helps. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.